we're mooring it up and getting ready to paint the other house for my lovely and beautiful wife. Got it all rented out. Tenants moved in. All right, I got Florida General Coating. He just painted this house right here, y'all. See how beautiful it is? Now he's gonna make this one look the same. We can't have one house looking beautiful and the other house not beautiful. All right, the tenant asked us, would we paint the house? Because, as you know, we painted this house last week. That's what I said. Of course, I said yes, I could paint it because it needs painting. Check it out. Owning rental property is not just about collecting the rent. You got to come around and do maintenance. You got to be checking on things. You got to be on top of your job, or nobody going to want to be renting from you. I tell all the people that live in our rental properties, check it out. You live in one of RadfordHomes rental property. First thing I'm gonna tell you is, I'm gonna be the best landlord that you ever had, or landowner, property owner, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna be the best. So that way, they know I demand excellence. So I want the same thing from them. So if they're asking me for something, I'm gonna try to make it happen, long as it's reasonable. Check it out. It ain't always about just getting that cash on the first of the month. Wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. Rent money. You wanna know more about that? September the 18th. Be here live on the west side. Right now we're on the west side of Bartow, in my hood where I grew up at. Let's go. He's taking care of me. I'm gonna stay out of Patrick's way and let him work today. As y'all can see, we're painting the soffit, the drip edge, and the fascia dark gray. Because when it's white, folks, it gets really, really dirty. So we pressure wash this thing. As you can see up there, we pressure washed it, and it's gonna be gray now. We're also gonna be installing a fence. We're gonna be installing a fence from that fence line right there. We're gonna be bringing the fence line all the way down here. Shout out to my cousin for helping us out with the mowing. All the trim is gonna be dark gray. I gotta go, folks. Patrick calling me. Get him, Patrick. We painted the gable on this side, the dark gray, and we painted the gable on this side, dark gray. right, day one. Still got some more work to do tomorrow. We gotta do that part down there. We gotta do the steps in the back. Still gotta do the side of the house. Got it all painted up. Looking like twins. Houses side by side. Yeah, got the yard cleaned up for the tenant too. Hi, I'm Greg, one half of RadfordHomes, LLC. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, it's all about that beautiful house we just got the things right here. Yeah. All right, what we had today is this here was clogged up, but it was clogged up in here. So they took the water hose, and they used the pressure and put it on the water